Hi everyone, and welcome to Dan's Destinations. In this episode, I took a trip up to the King Valley Balloon Fiesta in Milawa, which is held once a year around March. The fiesta is held over the weekend and launch at dawn, so I had to drive up to Wangaratta to stay overnight. This is about a 3-hour drive up north from Melbourne. Also, if you like this travel video, please do take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. I stayed overnight at the Big 4 Wangaratta Holiday Park. So I just arrived here. It's quite late actually, it's about almost 9 p.m. I arrived at about 8:30 p.m. and the main office was closed, but they did leave my keys in a special drop box for late arrivals. As I was parking at my cabin, I could see 2 hares out by the field next to my cabin. My cabin was pretty decent with a queen-size bed and 3 bunk beds. Overall, it is clean, simple, and suitable for families. There's a microwave here for heating up with your food, a sink, and an oven here. The next morning, I had to wake up early for a 20-minute drive to the Brown Brothers Winery, where the balloons launch from. Morning everyone, I'm here for the King Valley Balloon Festival. They're going to launch over there in about 30 minutes time. The King Valley Balloon Fiesta is Victoria's biggest hot air balloon event, promoting the adventurous spirit of ballooning in the King Valley and the beauty of Northeast Victoria. The event is free, although flights on the balloon are not. We managed to see them setting up their balloons at sunrise. Two of the balloons launched at first at about 7:55 a.m. and the rest began their launch en masse about 5 minutes later. The special balloons this year are the Cirque du Soleil Oval Balloon and Tico the Sloth. Visited the Milawa bakery for a light breakfast. They are located just 5 minutes from the balloon launch site. Their bacon and egg quiche is quite good. After breakfast, we visited the Eldorado Dredge, which is located about 15 minutes north of Milawa and was built in 1936. At the time, it was the biggest in the Southern Hemisphere. In the early 1930s, the price of gold rose from $17 an ounce in 1931 to $34 an ounce in 1934. This was a strong incentive to mine more of the deeply buried gold. The dredge worked like a chainsaw, with each bucket in the chain scooping up earth from the pond, which was then flushed through a series of large sieves to catch the sediments of heavier gold. Eldorado Dredge operated until 1954. It produced over 70,000 ounces of gold, valued at $75,000, about $28 million in today's value. You can enter the interior of the dredge to see the many controls and the machinery used. Next, we visited the Big Wine Bottle, which is located in Rutherglen, about 30 minutes drive from Milawa. Australia is full of these big art installations to promote tourism.
Hi everyone, I'm here at the Big Wine Bottle here. It's one of the many landmarks in Australia.
It is a large water tank that was completed in 1900 and holds 72,000 gallons to supply the town's water. The mesh top section was erected in December 1969 to promote the Rutherglen Wine Festival, now called Winery Walkabout, and from a distance gives the effect of a large wine bottle. That's it for our video. I would also like to take a moment to talk about Topaz Labs Video Enhanced AI. It is a software that leverages AI and machine learning to enhance your videos. I have used it on my videos where the lighting was not optimal, and I was amazed by how it is able to remove grain from low light footage and sharpen the images. It is also able to upscale your videos to a higher resolution, which is great as I have a lot of old travel videos which I shot in standard definition, which I can now upscale to 4K. Besides Video Enhance, they also have a suite of other tools for photo enhancement as well. I highly recommend this software, and if you are interested, please use my link in the description below as it helps support this channel. Also, if you use the promo code in the video description under my link, you can get a 15% discount off your purchase. That's all from me, and thanks for watching this video.